Rise and grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLE350 two-wheel drive, and we're doing the front brake pads and rotors. You can see the setup. Alright, I'm gonna show you how we're gonna get this done. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Don't worry, jack rod is in place, so no need for jack stands, man. Got our brake pads, part number, rotors, brand new, part number. Quick tip, if you want to know how thick your pads are, or how low they are, all you got to do is just look at the reservoir. That's the brake reservoir. It's supposed to be to the max. You never refill this. All you need to do is just watch it, the level. Now when your pads get low, your brake fluid go low. If you got thick pads, it's gonna stay full. So once we do this job, once we push the piston in, that makes the brake fluid go up. All right, we're gonna start with this bracket right here. Just get you a pry bar. Got these little caps right here. Pop them off. All right, we got Allen keys. We need 11. Let's gonna get that off. Now we can remove this caliper. Pads low. So I took one pad off, the front pad. I'm gonna put this caliper back on, and I'm gonna get in here and push the piston back with that pad. Several ways you can push it back, but this is how I'm doing it. Just gonna push on it. And it's going back slowly but surely. And we back. All right, this bracket for the caliper is held in by 21 mil bolts. All right, to get the rotor off, we got to get this here off. It's a Torx screw. So it's a T30. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give it a little impact so I can break it free. So these little carrier, it holds the rotor on. May need to lube it. I'm gonna tap the back of it with my hammer. See if that helps. Yep, that's all I needed to do. Tap the back, come right off. All right, go ahead, spray it down. Next, we gotta clean off the surface, get that grease off of the rotor. Brake cleaner gonna do that. Both sides, wipe it down with a rag. All right, that rotor arm, go ahead and put that bracket back on there. All right, so we got the grease on the back of the pads. We're gonna go ahead and install these pads. Go ahead and put that in there. That's gonna lock in there. So these little guide pins, I'm gonna go ahead and put some grease on it, lube them up. Alright, now we can tighten it up. So we over here on the passenger side. I just want to show you what's different over here. Just a brake sensor held in by 8mm, or really a E8. You can use an 8mm to get it loose. Just remove that, and that's the only thing that's different. Got a new brake sensor, the wear sensor. It's the part number. Just pull that right out. It comes out. Put it right back in. New one. Just like that. And that's it for the passenger side, man. I hope the video helped out. Until next time, pull up, King.